Hello, my people. How are you? It's a beautiful Monday. It's a beautiful Monday with pair moving as we have anticipated. Um, Here at Gbpnzd. Now I'm going to take you through this Gbpnzd card. I mean Gbpnzd pair, the pair which I just took since last week. I have had analysis of this pair on January 3rd. On January 3rd, it was on Wednesday last week. Last week was the new year of 2024. Um, this is what I was looking like. This market is having a higher time frame retracement because we see the monthly time frame price has already changed the direction to go bearish. Likewise, weekly time frame, likewise daily time frame. So this is one of the very rare case which I take counter trade, right? But all in all, since observing our higher time frames, now the price need to create a new lower high of the weekly time frame and daily time frame. So I didn't hesitate when I look the opportunity after seeing the 4 hours. At least we have a direction change. Then I have had two options. It's either at this SNR zone we have had this LQE liquidity, and this is actually where I took this trade, or whether the price will just have come to retrace at the lows of the structure. But when the price was about this area, I was very active in the market. I just placed my order, and afterward thereafter I got the other opportunity to add another position after we have had this 4 hours break of structure here. The next 1 hour candle, once it opened, I got also through market execution. So if you look at this pair, even from the monthly time frame, you would have just seen the same structure wise. What do we see? We see that this price, since it was maintaining this bullish structure, highs and lows, we have at a break of structure, high low, we have at a break of structure, and then this candle of September last year, it closed under the invalidation point of the last bullish structure of the monthly time frame, and then the bearish structure were there. So I'm taking this this bullish movement as only a matter of retracement, maybe particularly up to the monthly time frame opens your C, or the weekly and daily time frame scenario zone. But however, so far at the bigger picture, you have these two structure which are in between. Like here, you have had high and high low and high. Again, you have high. Maybe price is expected to come and liquidate at this area, but that is too long to speak as for today. Like these areas, still, since we are having a 3 month SGC liquidity, so maybe we have a long-term sales trend. We don't know yet, but the market will just continue to give us the information. So the same, once you look at the weekly time frame, you see this price had this high lows, high low. We have had another weekly daily change of direction here, and a very clear weekly bearish structure, low high lower low. So we anticipate that price is going to give us a new lower high, and then we have a further continuation to the above. Like here above, yes, we have weekly SNR zone, but we have weekly WRL liquidity accumulated around here after this impulsive break, which broke this inside the weekly structure. So the same structures again are seen in the daily time frame. You see the trend is major structure of the daily time frame is bearish, in this minor structure here in between are also bearish. So since we have had this last lower high, the market gave a lower low, we anticipate to have another lower high, and then the price will come down. If necessary, we can even hold this trade up to this point, but I will just respect the monthly COC first. But look at the pattern and how the price will give us the structures, and thereafter we shall considering. Like you can ask yourself, why did I close this trade here early at the structure which was not at my origin point? The origin point take profit was here, but on last Friday when price approached this area, which is H4 and daily time frame scenario zone, I considered taking the partial the partial profits of this trade. What exactly I was looking was this daily time frame as an hour zone. But let us go and look at the entry point. How would this entry point was figured? You know, we have all higher time frame moving in bearish, weekly, monthly, even 3 months. They are all bearish. So I rarely take trades of such of such kinds. Like I know we have a long-term bullish retracement. Like since this market changes direction, I saw the opportunity of about 400 pips. So I cannot just let these pips go away. I can look for the opportunity to take and go them. We are trading the higher time frame, right? And a good thing will happen if at least 4 hours candle will close above this area, we can consider to add another position if the structure will allow us to do so. Look at the origin chart. After the change of direction of 4 hour, I was waiting for the price to come to liquidate at either lows of the structure within the scenario zone or at the LQE liquidity. I mean, no, COC liquidity of the 4 hours time frame. And here is where I just got this trade. In the first trade, I closed partial with about 200 pips. It was about 200 pips. And the second entry was about 90 pips. It was about 90 pips. These all were just taken after the second entry was taken after we have had this 4 hour candle, which came to trigger the entry. After this candle closed and they broke this structure here above, giving other bullish structure. The next 1 hour, I just entered through market execution and held it for at least 2 days until it reached the TP. But we have very long way to go there above, because I'm looking to sell this structure based on the higher time frame. I have my positions which I am looking to sell this trade. So for now, let us focus on what the market is giving us, right? This is, let us say, FX.